The ocean depths, shrouded in perpetual darkness, may seem silent and serene, but this tranquility is an illusion. Right now, beneath the ocean's surface, fiery volcanoes are erupting. These underwater volcanoes, or submarine volcanoes, form when magma rises through cracks in the Earth's crust. Most of them are found along tectonic plate boundaries like the Pacific Ring of Fire, where the Earth's plates are constantly shifting and colliding. Superheated steam billows out, creating vast plumes that rise from the ocean floor. Join us now on Curious Quest as we journey to the bottom of the ocean to explore the mysteries of these underwater volcanoes. Underwater volcanoes, or submarine volcanoes, form when magma rises through cracks in the Earth's crust. Most are found along tectonic plate boundaries, like the Pacific Ring of Fire. As plates move, they grind against each other, creating pressure that fractures the crust. Magma rises through these fissures, driven by intense heat. When magma reaches the ocean floor, it behaves differently than on land. The deep ocean pressure often contains the violence, leading to slower eruptions. Lava oozes from vents, creating fantastical formations on the seabed. Pillow lavas form when lava erupts slowly, cooling and solidifying quickly. Vast sheets of volcanic glass can spread out for miles. Seamounts, underwater mountains, form from accumulated lava flows. Some seamounts rise thousands of feet, their peaks still submerged. These hidden volcanoes remind us that our planet is dynamic and ever-changing. Their eruptions shape the ocean floor, create new habitats, and influence ocean chemistry. Underwater volcanoes don't just erupt and disappear. Over time, their lava hardens and accumulates layer by layer until it rises above sea level to form a new island. Surtsey, a volcanic island in Iceland, emerged in 1963 and is now a protected UNESCO World Heritage Site. In Tonga, the eruption of Hunga Tonga-Hunga Ha'apai in 2015 created a new island that continues to evolve. Deep beneath the waves, a submarine volcano erupts again and again, over thousands, even millions of years. Each eruption adds another layer of lava to the growing seamount. Slowly, inexorably, the summit of the seamount rises, approaching the surface. The once hidden eruptions become visible, sending plumes of steam and ash into the air. Waves crash against the newly formed land, shaping its coastline. This is how islands are born. Surtsey, off the coast of Iceland, is a prime example. Its birth in 1963, witnessed by the world, offered scientists a unique opportunity to study how life colonizes a barren volcanic island. Today, Surtsey teems with life across the globe, from the Azores to Hawaii, from the Galapagos to Japan. Volcanic islands rise from the sea, each one a unique product of the fiery depths. The ocean depths conceal a multitude of volcanoes, each with its own story to tell. Some are dormant giants, their fiery pasts evident in the towering seamounts they left behind. Others are active cauldrons simmering beneath the waves, their presence hinted at by plumes of bubbles and shimmering mineral-rich water. One such active volcano is Loihi, a seamount located off the coast of the big island of Hawaii. Loihi is a young volcano, still in its infancy, but it's growing rapidly. Scientists estimate that it could break the surface and become a new Hawaiian island in tens of thousands of years. Then there's Jenny, an underwater volcano located near the island of Grenada in the Caribbean. Jenny is a restless volcano, prone to frequent eruptions, though most are small and pose little threat to nearby islands. In the Aegean Sea, we find the Colombo volcano, a submarine neighbor to the famous Santorini caldera. Colombo is a reminder that the Aegean is a volcanically active region, shaped by fiery eruptions over millennia. The vast Pacific Ocean, home to the Ring of Fire, boasts a multitude of submarine volcanoes. These are just a few examples of the many fascinating submarine volcanoes hidden beneath the waves. In the depths of our oceans, where sunlight fades and perpetual darkness reigns, life finds a way. It thrives not in spite of the harsh conditions, but because of them. Underwater volcanoes, those fiery chasms in the ocean floor, create some of the most unique and diverse ecosystems on Earth. Around hydrothermal vents, where superheated water spews from the Earth's crust, life teems in complete darkness. These vents release chemicals like hydrogen sulfide, which chemosynthetic bacteria use as an energy source instead of sunlight. These bacteria form the base of a complex food web, supporting a dazzling array of creatures. Giant tube worms, some over 6 feet long, sway gently in the currents, their crimson plumes filtering the water for nutrients. Blind crabs scuttle across the sea floor, their shells encrusted with minerals. Ghostly white shrimp swarm the vents, feasting on the abundant bacteria. These creatures have adapted to thrive in an environment that would be lethal to most other life forms. The discovery of these vent ecosystems revolutionized our understanding of life on Earth. These underwater oases are a testament to the incredible adaptability of life and the unexpected ways in which it can flourish in the most extreme environments. The story of our planet, from its fiery birth to its present-day form, is a tale of constant change. Continents drift, mountains rise and fall, and oceans ebb and flow. And at the heart of this ongoing transformation lie underwater volcanoes, hidden engines that have shaped Earth's evolution for billions of years. Imagine the early Earth, a fiery ball of molten rock. As the planet cooled, water vapor condensed and fell as torrential rain, forming the first oceans. Underwater volcanoes, spewing lava and gases, played a crucial role in shaping these primordial seas. These eruptions released gases from the Earth's interior, contributing to the formation of the atmosphere. Over time, the composition of the atmosphere changed, paving the way for the evolution of life. Underwater volcanoes also played a crucial role in the formation of the ocean floor. New crust is constantly being created at mid-ocean ridges, where tectonic plates pull apart. Magma rises to fill the gap, creating new sea floor in a process called seafloor spreading. The eruptions of underwater volcanoes also release nutrients into the ocean, fertilizing the water and supporting marine life. From the air we breathe to the food we eat, our lives are inextricably linked to the oceans. While underwater volcanoes are essential to the Earth's evolution and the ecosystems they support, they also pose potential risks. The immense power of these submerged giants can unleash devastating forces, reminding us of the raw, untamed energy that lies beneath the waves. One of the most significant risks associated with underwater volcanoes is the potential for tsunamis. When a large eruption occurs, it can displace vast amounts of water, creating a series of massive waves that can travel across entire oceans. The 1883 eruption of Krakatoa, a volcanic island in Indonesia, is a chilling example of the destructive power of volcano-generated tsunamis. Even smaller underwater eruptions can generate tsunamis, albeit on a smaller scale. Another risk associated with underwater volcanoes is the release of gases, some of which can be harmful to marine life and even humans. Scientists continue to monitor submarine volcanoes around the world, using a variety of techniques to detect changes in activity and provide early warning of potential hazards. As we've journeyed through the depths, exploring the fiery world of underwater volcanoes, we've witnessed their destructive power and their creative force. These submerged giants, hidden beneath the waves, continue to shape our planet, reminding us of the Earth's ever-changing nature. Imagine a future where new islands rise from the sea, born from the fiery breath of underwater volcanoes. These islands, initially barren and desolate, would gradually transform into vibrant ecosystems, colonized by life in all its tenacious glory. Birds, carried by the wind or drawn by the promise of new land, would be among the first to arrive. Their droppings, rich in nutrients, would fertilize the volcanic soil, paving the way for plant life to take root. Seeds, carried by the wind, waves, or even in the digestive tracts of birds, would find fertile ground on these new islands. Hardy plants, adapted to harsh conditions, would establish themselves, gradually transforming the barren landscape into a tapestry of green. Over time, these islands, born from fire and shaped by the relentless forces of nature, would become integral parts of the planet's intricate web of life. The future of these new islands, like the Earth itself, is uncertain, but underwater volcanoes will continue to play a vital role in shaping our planet for millennia to come. As we gaze upon our planet from the vastness of space, it's easy to forget the hidden forces that have shaped its surface. Beneath the seemingly tranquil oceans, a fiery underworld churns, a testament to the Earth's restless nature. Underwater volcanoes, those unseen architects, continue to sculpt our planet, building new land and fueling the engine of life itself. Their eruptions, though hidden from our everyday view, are a constant reminder of the immense power that lies beneath the waves. Thanks for exploring the wonders of underwater volcanoes with us. If you enjoyed this journey, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more. See you next time on Curious Quest.